So hello and welcome back to another Gumadi video, and today we're talking about some currency from the Baltic states. So here we have the coins up the top, and these ones are from Lithuania. So we have the 2 and the 5 lite, or 2 litu, 5 lite. The conjugation is a bit complicated. And the bottom ones we have are from Latvia. So has Latvias. That's basically how I get to know. So how I differentiate these currencies, because I do get these two countries mixed up, is the coat of arms. So the coat of arms of Lithuania is quite similar to the old coat of arms of Belarus, in which it has a knight, so probably from the Teutonic Order, on a horse with a coat of arms with two crosses on it. So Belarus did adopt that. Their current coat of arms is based on the Soviet coat of arms. And the coat of arms of Latvia has a lion, and I think that's a griffin on the other side. So it has two animals. One, the lion would have never inhabited the country because it's a bit too cold and a bit too far north. And griffin, which is another animal that didn't exist. You've got some at the top. So that's quite a nice coat of arms if you ask me. And yeah, anyway. So the 5 lite, this is a coin of 9 grams, about 75% silver. And this is the second series. So this is the 1936 series. And there is a 1925, which had a mintage of about 1 million. This is the more common coin. And if we look on the edge, it does have an inscription. So make sure, if you're purchasing one of these, that this inscription is quite clear. And the lettering is quite standard. Obviously, it doesn't show up in videos that well. So the mintage of this one is about 2.6 million. So not a common coin, but based on the population of the time, it was enough. They did issue a 1 and 10 lite in silver as well. And this one has Jonas Basanavikius. So I did butcher his name. And this condition is about very fine to extremely fine. And you'll probably be paying at least $40 to $60 for one of these coins. The bullion value is about $6.50. So 42 litu. So this is the standard design, just as the denomination in the coat of arms. This had a mintage of 3 million. It's about 5.4 grams, 50% silver. So that's a bullion value of about $2.60. And as you can see, this one's probably in fine to close to very fine condition. And this costs about $20 to $30 each. So quite a nice coin. So these two together, you'll be paying at least $60 to $80 for these two coins. Unless you get a special deal, which you can find if you hunt around on eBay as well as some coin shops. Especially if you buy lots of coins. Okay, so the coins of Latvia. This is a 2-year issue, 1923-24. There's no mintage figures for 1923, but 1924 the mintage of 10 million. This is a coin of 5 grams. All their silver coins are 83.5% silver. So this has a bullion value of about $4. But if you want to buy one, you'll probably be paying at least $20 to $40 for one. And as you can see, this one's probably in EF condition. There is some wear, but not too much. Or maybe even VF, close to EF condition. So this one here, yeah, this is probably more like EF. Although it does have some toning on the actual too, but that seems to come off. And this is a 1925 coin. There's also a 1926, which has a lower mintage. So 1925 had a mintage of 6,385,000 and change. And in 1926 only had 1.1, so it's a lot harder to get. this coin I would grade probably as EF, and you're probably paying at least $30 to $50 for one of these coins. And most of the coins that I've seen are in lower condition. The bullion value of this one is $8. So obviously the coins of Lithuania had a higher value than the coins of Latvia, should I say, had a higher value than the coins of Lithuania. See, that's what I'm talking about. I do get these currencies and these countries confused. Geographically, I don't, just when I'm actually talking about them. So Latvia, Lietuvas, Lithuania. So it's basically how you should know the differences between the coins and the currency. So the coin that I like the best is this Lithuanian 5 Lati coin. So this was issued for 3 years, 1929, 1 million were issued, 1931, so this year, 2 million were issued, and these seem to be, well, not that hard to get, although a lot of them that I've seen is in lower grade than this. So you can see this one does have some damage, some wear, probably EF condition, it's almost uncirculated. It does have some toning, so the dots there, being not 100% silver, and the copper in it will tone. And then there's 1932, which had a mintage of 600,000, so that will be the key date for this coin. But what is good about this coin is the image of Latvia on this side. So this one, as you can see, does have toning, does have wear on the hair, and it does also have some scratching. But this is a really high grade coin for ones that I've seen. So in this condition, you'll probably be paying at least $70 to $100. If you want one in uncirculated condition, I see that they are put up for sale for about $200 to $300. But if you wanted a coin that's a lower grade, you'd probably pick them up for at least $40 to $50. But in this condition, they're hard to get under $60. Although you can find some deals now and then. So this coin is currently used on the Euro coins, and they did issue a 5 Lati of a different currency in 2012, but they only had 10,000, so that coin would actually cost quite a bit more, although all of them will be in uncirculated grade. And currently this image is used on the 1 and 2 euro coin issued by Latvia since 2014. So that's basically high grade or some silver coins from Latvia and Lithuania that you should be looking out for. So all in all, if you can get these for at least $100, then there is a potential that you could sell them for at least $150 to $200. Anyway, if anyone wants to disagree with my valuations, I just get these off the internet. Please leave a comment down below. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.